Hello, I'm Ed Larson with Tampa Deep Sea Explorers, and we're here to talk about LiPo batteries today. Behind me is our award-winning Barracuda AUV, which we entered in the Shell Ocean Discovery X Prize. And over the years, we've used a lot of different batteries. And mostly what we used were commercially available rectangular batteries. And these are okay, but it presents us with a problem because our body tube is cylindrical and we end up with the old square peg in a round hole problem. They fit, but there's a lot of wasted space. And what we wanted to do was optimize the space utilization in our AUV. And so what we did was we redesigned our battery pack to fit into a half round cylinder. This is a 7P1S battery pack. It is completely self-contained, and we can put these together on a maker beam rail and build up a battery of whatever size we would like. So this replaces this and actually provides us with more battery power than what we had, and it's a better utilization of space. As you can see, the half round battery pack fits into that cylindrical space very well. It's very efficient use of the available space. Now, whether you use these batteries for underwater vehicles, aerial vehicles, RC vehicles, sometimes space is a consideration, and you want to optimize the space. Instead of fitting the battery or fitting the model to the battery, you need to fit the battery to the model, which is what we have done. Okay, so we built these for ourselves. This is a 7P6S battery pack, our Bumblebee battery pack. It provides us with 25 volts of consistent power built up from these single modules. No soldering, no spot welding, completely self-contained, and we make these for ourselves. We also make a full round version for 4-inch diameter body tube, which is 14P, and we make also custom rectangular shapes for those that need rectangular batteries. Dennis is going to demonstrate for you how easy this is to utilize. They use standard 18650 LiPo batteries, which you can provide for yourself. And our next demonstration will be how easy it is to take this apart, put it back together. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Dennis. Dennis has just demonstrated for us how easy it is to disassemble and reassemble the Bumblebee battery pack. I just wanted to tell you about the power takeoffs. The end caps have a copper plate on each end. One end is positive, one end is negative, and what holds the battery pack together are these threaded rods, which you can jumper with a little copper jumper here. And so you can take positive to the other end. So you have positive and negative here side by side. This eliminates the need to have long runs of heavy gauge wire running along your model. And it also allows us a point where we can attach our ESCs directly. No need for a bus strip. So although this battery pack weighs about 2 pounds heavier than the commercially available rectangular batteries, we save about 1 pound of weight by eliminating bus strips and long wire runs. Thank you.